The next thing I want to highlight is the reverb. So, as you can see, right now, so when I play a note, like an impulse, I hear this. Now when I hook up to our reverb, you're going to hear something like this. So, and you get that nice ring out.
So it sounds kind of like a higher pitched clap. And so you can do that with every sample, and then you can save them. So I'll go ahead and make my clap a little higher pitched, and then save it. And then
The idea is like you can see that this LED is moving, and there's BPM control. So it can go anywhere from 40 to 240 BPM just by turning this guy. So turn it that way, it goes faster. Turn it the other way, it goes slower. And so.
On the paddle, if you hit the left side of the paddle, the ball will go to the left. And if you hit the right side of the paddle, the ball will go to the right.
Yeah.
If you hit the center of it, it'll continue in whatever direction it was heading.
There's also sound effects, so every time you hit the red thing, you hear like a little dig. Like we made it really subtle because we didn't want it to be overbearing because you hit a lot of bricks at once. So it'll be like a little dig. And then after in level 2, there's double hit bricks where they're orange and you hit them in the red. And it's just kind of show more complexity that we're able to do with the game.
And it's actually being rotated fully in 3D space.
like
So-
as he moves that joystick, he kind of spins.
Oh,
around
yeah.
the object.
And all this is actually being fully renderable and manipulable in 3D space, and you can view the entire object and everything that's going on around you.
So, through this app that we made using MIT App Maker, we were able to do a GUI for movement. So you can move forwards, backwards, you can turn. We got some other functions just like the IR sensors.
IR sensors for motion detection.
Yeah.
So PID controller. So we got speed PID controller, angle PID controller,
And
some-
a limit function that we can control how
Yeah.
fast it can go.
So we can
before it breaks.
yeah, so we can tune these values in real time instead of just hard coding the values on the